What is up? What is up, Fit Pros? Andy here from fitprobusiness.com. Hope everybody's doing well. Hey, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing as I deliver weekly value to you in the trenches advice that's working for me and my business, as well as what I'm learning from other industry leaders in regards to improving your sales, improving your marketing, improving your overall business systems. That's what I'm going to be delivering to you guys every week. So please consider subscribing if you're getting value. Today, what I want to talk about, I want to give you guys five ways that you can increase your profits within your studio or within your personal training business. So 5 different ways that you can improve your business and improve your bottom line and help you start making more money. So let me share my screen with you guys. All right, so 5 ways that you can increase your profits. How to make more money in your personal training business. So the number one way, a couple of these are going to be pretty obvious, but the number one way that you can increase your bottom line and improve your income is by increasing your rates. So you can bump the amount that you're charging new start clients. So new people that are starting within your business, you can have them at your increased rate. And if you have not changed your rates in a long time with your existing clients, it may be time to review that and maybe time to bump them as little as $5 extra per month or whatever your adjustment is, depending upon what your clientele is. If you haven't made any changes in a really long time, it's probably time to review that. And clients, trust me, are perfectly accepting of this. They know that your expenses go up just like when you go to a restaurant and they've adjusted their prices for their meals because the price of their goods have changed. The same is true for you. Obviously, there's inflation, but there's also other costs involved that go up for you, and clients understand this. Usually a good rule of thumb that I've learned in the past is when your clients are asking you or adjusting their rates by themselves, it's probably time for you to review your rates and start adjusting them. If you're not going to make the adjustment for your existing clients, you have to make it up with your new start clients. And another good thing, if you're not going to make any changes, what I've done within my business for clients that I've grandfathered into an older rate, I let them know that if they're going to be leaving or what have you, taking a break from training, I let them know when they return that they'll be starting at what my new rates are. And so that's something you can also lay out there. So number one way to improve your income is to increase your rates. And the number 2 way is to obviously service more clients, bring in additional clientele. You can train more clients, you can expand the amount of hours that you're offering, and you can bring in additional staff that you can leverage. Obviously, for some of you guys, maybe you're just starting your business, you're working 12, 16-hour days. I know I've been there. That might not be an option for you as far as expanding your hours personally, but you can bring in an additional staff member, whether that is an employee that you pay an hourly rate, or if you bring in an independent contractor that you pay a percentage of your sales. You'd have to check your rules and regulations in your area that you live in. So that's another way that you can increase your income, increase your bottom line, is by servicing more clients. Train more clients, expand your hours, expand your offerings, and bring in additional staff members that you can leverage them. So that way you're not in the studio or running your business, training clients, somebody else is, and you're still profiting. So that's number 2. Number 3 is to add coaching. Add additional coaching to your services. A nutritional accountability or mentorship program. Give your clients more access to you at a higher level, and there are going to be a percentage of your clients that are willing to pay a higher price to have more access to you, so that way they can guarantee results and have higher accountability. And ways that you can do this is, one of the ways I do this is with a product, with a membership site called Product Dino. I just discovered them. They're fantastic. I've researched a lot of other ones. Very easy to use. I'll include links in the show notes. That is linked up with another cart that I use is called Thrive Cart. Also, you can run these through private Facebook groups, which are free and fantastic. So add additional coaching to your services. Charge a higher rate for it. Trust me, you're going to have a percentage of clients that want to do this because they want to get those results and they want more access to you. So ad coaching is number 3. Number 4 is sell supplements and apparel. So be the one-stop shop for your clients. It makes their lives easier and it adds to your income. I read this great book by Jay Abraham, and I'll include a link in the show notes for his book. It's called Get Everything You Can Out of All That You've Got. And the gist of the book is basically your clients already know, like, and trust you. If you're making offerings and recommendations, they would much rather purchase them from you rather than having to go to, the GNC or somewhere else. They're already coming in on a regular basis. They trust what you have to say, to what you're recommending to them. They'd much rather purchase it from you. Also, they know that, again, it's assisting you and they enjoy doing business with you. So sell supplements. They can be private label supplements that you have put on your own logo. They can be supplements that you purchase at a lower price and sell at an increased rate. And the same thing goes for apparel. Have apparel that you sell with your logo that gets clients want, t-shirts, they want hats, all of these things where you're not going to make a ton of money off of them, but it's still increasing your bottom line. It's still another form of revenue that you have that helps at the end of the year, even if it's just a couple $100 a month. That adds up over the length of 12 months. So sell additional supplements and apparel. That's number 4. And number 5 is become an affiliate. And a lot of you guys are very familiar with affiliate marketing and what it is. Basically, you're making recommendations on somebody else's product and you get a percentage of the sale. So you can sell other people's products in regards to nutrition. They have all sorts they have exercise programs, they have diet programs that you can research, promote. JV Zoo is a great place to find them, as well as ClickBank. But you can just do a search in Google for fitness affiliate programs and see which ones align with you and your business and would be a good fit for your clientele. And all you do is sign up for them, and then you promote them to your clients and to your list, whether that's done through your email list or through Facebook. But this is another way that you can make additional revenue, have another revenue stream within your business. It's to become an affiliate of somebody else's product. So these are the 5 ways that I recommend that you can start implementing into your business to help improve what you're bringing in every month and give you different revenue streams within your studio so that you're not just relying on your training. Again, this is just another way for you to start adding things into your business that are going to help, increase your revenue. You don't have to implement these all at one time. There's a theory called the 1+ theory. So get one system down, whether you're increasing your rates, get all that down, start making the switch over in your system. Once that's done, then you move on to the next one. Then you move on to the next one, whether that's selling supplements and t-shirts, you get that going. Once you have a system in place, then you move on to the next one. So don't get overwhelmed and start trying to do all of these at one time. Do the 1+ theory or 1+ system. Anyhow, so that's number 5. And I threw in a bonus one for you guys, number 6. So bonus tip, review your business model. If you're running one-on-one training sessions, look to go to a semi-private program where you can bring in more clients, charge a decent rate, and make more per hour than just doing a one-on-one session. Or look to do a small group training model off of not just a one-on-one offering. If you're running large group, look to add semi-private or small group training where you can charge a higher price for your service. Again, these are ways that you're going to increase the amount of revenue that you can pull into your business. Don't get stuck with one type of business model within your business. Look to review, and adjust accordingly to what your clientele is telling you that they want. As I can't, stress this enough. Don't get too set in your ways in regards to business. Keep looking at what the changes are that are going on in the market and look to implement those within your business. So these are the 6 tips that I recommend to add to your bottom line within your business to increase your profits and to help you grow your personal training studio or fitness business. So I hope that this has helped you guys. If you got value from this, please consider subscribing to this channel. And like I said, I'll be in here every week delivering value to you guys. If you want to schedule a 30-minute private coaching session with me on ways that you guys can implement these within your business and start learning how to grow your bottom line, start learning how to grow your business, schedule a 30-minute coaching call. It's completely free. Just want to hop on with you and help you guys get your business to the next level. We'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.